Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I am going to show you how to restart your laptop. So the usual way to restart the laptop is by pressing the start button, then opening the power options and selecting restart or update and restart if you have any updates pending on your laptop. But if you cannot access this menu, for example if when your screen is frozen, you can force restart the laptop by pressing and holding the power key for 15 seconds until your laptop turns on. Keep waiting. Okay, and at this point, when your laptop is turned off, short press the power button again and your laptop will start. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.